How is everyone doing today? I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. Mystery plate package, $299. I pulled right from the front of the stack. It's super light, so I hope it's a cool plate. I hope it's not a flat plate. $299. Next up is plate package, mystery plate package, $300. We're going to do something special for that one. I'm going to pick out a couple randoms that I really like, and you guys will love them. I know you will. But for now, we're on to $299, so that's what we're going to talk about. What do you guys think it is? My alarm went off. That's very unacceptable. I was asking if you guys have been watching the special features. So make sure you head over to YouTube, Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, where my alarms are always going off and things are always going wrong. Anyways, let's check out this plate. Mississippi upside down taxi plate, $15.94. We got the lighthouse on there. It's a pretty dope looking plate. Awesome sunrise or sunset. Taxi, $15.94. Alarms going off. Craziness. So make sure you head on over and we'll see if we can find a Mississippi taxi. Maybe this plate in use. Maybe that lighthouse. I don't know. Do you think that's a real lighthouse in Mississippi? We'll find all this out if you head over. Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. Because that's where I'm going. Woo! You made it. Special features. Mystery plate package. $299. Next one up's going to be a good one. But this one, taxi plate. Mississippi taxi. They've had taxi plates for a long time. 1939. Black and yellow plate. Look good on the yellow Cabco. Show you both of those. We found a few taxis, a few plates. 1949, black and orange. And Roy Boy taxi. And then we got a newer taxi plate. And then we got that taxi, Jackson taxi. And then we got another new base taxi. Taxis everywhere. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Mississippi taxi. Sweet plate. I never did look up that lighthouse, so I don't know if it's real or not. If you know, drop a comment. Let me know about the Mississippi lighthouse. It looks bright anyways. Brighter than me. You're weird. Anyways, we got a bunch of taxi plates. We got a bunch of taxis. That's all there is for Mississippi taxi. Mystery plate package. $299. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tune in next, because the next one is going to be wild. We're going to see at least 5 plates, okay? Yeah. So have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find some cool stuff. Go for a ride in a taxi. Go on an adventure. Climb a mountain. Check out a lighthouse. Play the guitar. Do whatever you want. It's your life. But again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Never miss a single second of Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy.